he drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get ready.
Aliana and I'm back here with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be trying out this Dollar Tree gel and see if it slicks on my hair in a sleek ponytail. My mom wanted me to go into a Dollar Tree the other day, and I went into the hair aisle, and I always go in the hair aisle in every store that I go to, and I really needed a gel, and I didn't think they would have a gel in here, but they did. And this is the Lusti olive oil styling gel. I never tried it before. I looked at the ingredients and made sure there was no alcohol or anything like that, because alcohol is very drying to your hair. So I'm just going to see if this works to slick down my hair. And I took out my twist, as you can see. My hair is freshly washed and conditioned. I have a little bit of conditioner in my hair, but that's about it. It's detangled. It's kind of drying out right now because I did my makeup, so I was just letting it air dry. But I like doing this style on wet hair, so I have a spray bottle and like all this other stuff. So let's just get into the style and see. Okay, so I'm doing this on freshly washed hair, so I'm just going to part my hair right now. And I have like this little rat tail comb, and if you see me looking behind the camera, my mirror is behind the camera. I'm gonna spray this section with water. To add some keratin oil to like keep my hair moisturized. I'm gonna leave all the products that I use down below, which I'm only using 2 products, but a lot of people, I put this on my Snapchat, and a lot of people ask me where I got this. I don't know, because my mom got it, so I'm gonna ask her and I'll put it in the description. So now I'm just gonna use the gel, and the gel smells very clean. It's like a slimy green color, which is kind of cool. This much, I don't know if you can see, but I got this much on my hands. And it's not like too sticky. It really reminds me of Eco Styler gel, and I haven't used that gel in a while because me and Haley, when we were at school, we bought like this gigantic jar of gel, and I don't know the brand of it, but we got it at the beauty supply store. I'm just gonna use my diamond brush to like smooth away my curls a little. I'm gonna put more gel. Okay, so now this side. This side is way thicker than this side, because the part is on this side, so I'm just gonna wet it again. Okay, so I kind of use a lot of gel, but I really want my hair to be slicked down, and I can always wash it out, you know? This gel seems like it's gonna slick my hair down. Okay, so I'm just using my diamond brush again. Using this brush, and I'm just going to smooth it down. My 2 hair ties. And I'm just like molding it into the ponytail, and I'm just gonna continue to brush it down. Ooh, this is really slicking my hair down. Perfect. Okay. I'm gonna use 3 hair ties so my hair's like super secured. Okay, so now I'm going to use this to slick down my edges. So I'm going to do my edges and mind, I have an how I do my edges video. It didn't get a lot of views, which I mean is okay, but I like this gel. It's not bad. Now I just have to see if it lasts, like, because it has been so humid. So now I am going to like bobby pin my hair, and my hair looks pretty flat right now, but I really like using bobby pins because I just feel like more secure when I have them in my hair, especially on this side because that's where like most of my hair is. I'm gonna put in some hoops, you know, to finish off the look.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh, well.
This is the finished look. My hair is very slicked down, even though I still have waves, but you know, that's okay. That comes with having curly hair. Gel did slick my hair down. I'm very impressed because this was only $1, like really. But yes, it does everything it says it does. On the bottle it says defines the look of any style and helps control frizz and flyaway hair, provides firm hold, fast drying and non-flicking. And it's not dry yet, but I'm gonna let it dry. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media and all of that fun stuff. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video.